So, another day, another time I'm heading to the shop. The Scenic is basically seeing daily driving duties because that's wrong. It's faulty, it's not working, the V is off duty right now. So it's been a while since I've done a noise check episode, so this is it right now. And the one I want to noise check is actually relatively fresh acquisition. The 225 I've shown in one of my previous videos, this one right here. That car has a Bastuck exhaust system, which is I think the only TÜV approved one. However, it does not have a center silencer. It's still with OEM CAT and OEM airbox, but I think it has as an HKS SSQV-style blow valve, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I wanted to do a noise check anyway because it's a nice sounding car and I wanted to share it. I strongly believe that sound is a very important part of a car when it comes to, enthusiast cars, and for petrol heads, sound is like 20% of the experience at least, maybe more. So yeah, let's do a sound check on this car. Oh yeah, and one thing you might notice is that the sound is a bit different, and that's because I realized I actually do have a microphone and I can fit it to this camera, so I did, and hopefully sound quality is going to be better from now on. We'll see. Hopefully I'll be able to capture this better with this microphone. People just don't know how to take some of these stats. They just do this right in our asses. What are you doing, bro? Back off. Rolly wasn't kidding. Told me he's going to push it, so he did. Well, it's mostly the exhaust that's making some noise, but some good noise. This system does sound pretty good actually. It's not as loud as I thought from the outside. It's pretty sweet from the inside though. Let's do a lap inside. well, that was it. I hope you liked it. I did. I really did. I still think this one might sound a bit better. Like that one could do with the dickheads or, you know, sports cat like this. Like the Scenic. But still sounds pretty good. Sounds healthy. It's strong, so yeah. I am planning on getting quite a few more cars on this series because I do like car sounds. I like all sorts of different car sounds, except for, I'm not going to say it, but there are some car sounds I don't like. Yeah, anyway. I'm planning on getting some more interesting cars in this series and record it all. Yeah. Well, that's pretty much it for this week. Oh yeah, I don't think it's going to be next week, but maybe the week after. I am expecting a shipment of sorts. I think you are going to like it. I think you're going to like it. Some of you already know what it is. Some of you don't. But it's going to be for this car, basically. And it's some pretty cool stuff. Yeah, I've stopped teasing it. You will have to check out that video when it comes out. So for this week, thank you for watching, and see you next week.